Hello and welcome to DIY with Ashley. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a fleece blanket with a pocket for your feet. The supplies you'll need for this project are between 2 and 3 yards of 59-inch wide fleece. You'll also need a half of a yard of coordinating or matching fleece that's also 59 inches wide. You'll need matching thread, scissors or a rotary cutter, an acrylic ruler, as well as a cutting mat. You'll need a hem guide, long sewing pins, and a walking foot for your sewing machine. As I mentioned, you'll need between 2 and 3 yards of fleece, depending on how long you want the blanket to be. Just make sure it's 59 inches wide. Now, before we begin, we need to trim off the selvage using our scissors, or if you have a serger, you can use your serger. I used my serger and I cut off about 2 inches from my 59-inch wide fabric. Next, we'll create the hem for our foot pocket. Using our hem guide, fold a half of an inch down on the wrong side of the fabric and stitch as close to the edge as possible. Now that our hem is done, we're going to go ahead and attach our foot pocket to the main part of the blanket, pinning it right sides together. Just remember, as you pin the pocket to the blanket, we're only going to be pinning around the edges, not the top part where we created the hem. Then we're going to take the blanket to our sewing machine and use a 1/2 inch seam allowance to sew down the 3 sides of the blanket and attach the foot pocket. Once the foot pocket is attached, we're going to go ahead and flip it right side out. Our blanket is nearly done. Now we need to turn our attention to the unfinished edges and create a hem. Again, using our hem guide, we're going to fold over a 1/2 inch to the wrong side and use our sewing pins to secure the hem in place. You're going to want to sew the entire perimeter of the blanket as close to the edge as possible. And when you get to the corners, you'll just need to fold one side over the other. And that's it! Now your blanket's finished and your feet will never be cold again. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye for now!